How to create Amazon Jobs account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign up for Amazon Jobs account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, simply search for Amazon Jobs. After you search for it, you should see Amazon's Jobs website. So its official website is www.amazon.jobs. You can directly head over there as well. After you're there, you'll see My Career on the top right corner. You can tap on My Career and there you can see My Profile. Tap on My Profile. After you tap there, it will redirect you to a page where you can create your account. After you're there, all you now need to do is type in your email address, type in a new password, and after you do that, tap on Create Account to create your new Amazon Jobs account. Now, the other way you can actually create the account is you can use your already existing Amazon's account, or you can log in using your Google. So you can use either one of that. And after you do that, you can just, head over and proceed to Amazon Jobs. And that's basically how you do it. And that is basically all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.